Hello everyone, welcome back to our Two Small YouTube channel. And in today's video we are going to be installing this Yoshimura, hope I said that right, tail tidy for our 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa. I haven't shown you guys the bike just yet. We picked it up the other day and I ordered this beforehand from Cycle Gear. I believe it was 120 some bucks and it came in today. Let's go ahead and get the package opened and then we're going to install it on the bike in today's video. So this is my first time opening the box, so I'm going to see at the same time as you guys. Have this weird cardboard on here. Set that off to the side. Some paperwork along with some nuts and bolts. This is probably the mounting instructions. Here is the tail tidy itself. You have your license plate light and bracket right here. And here is the plate cover, along with the wires for the light. Nothing else in the box. Let's go ahead and see what's on the bike right now. Here is our newest bike, everyone. This is a 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa in the green color. It's a really nice looking color, and this is what we're going to be changing today. This hunk of junk right here. For some reason, they made the tail of the bike pretty long, and we are going to go ahead and switch this out for the tail tidy, which is going to look awesome. Go ahead, pull the bike out, and let's go ahead and get the tail tidy installed. Everyone, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to unbolt these 4 screws right there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go ahead and do that. The bolts, you're going to need a 10mm socket and then also an extension just to make it easier. So now that we have all the bolts off, the only thing that it's hanging by is this light right here. It's right there, the one that's covered in the blue. So if you cut that off, this whole thing is just going to fall down. Don't cut the whole light off. You're only supposed to cut a little bit of it off. I'm going to read the instructions real quick and then let's see what else we're supposed to do. Well, now we're going to cut right here at this black and white wire. After we cut the wires, we went ahead and stripped them, and now we got them ready to install the other light. Take the lights out of the new light, and you're just going to put them right through the center of the bracket. The provided hardware, you're going to take 2 of the smallest nuts, and you're going to put them right through here. Now we have to do the wiring part. The black is going to go to the black, and then the red is going to go to the white. The wires, you could use the butt connectors provided by Yoshimura in the hardware kit. Everyone, here is the finished product. All we just did was we screwed it in from the back right here. You can use the new bolts provided or you can use the old ones. It's the same thing. And then here it looks. Everyone, and here's how it looks, all buttoned up. We went ahead and switched the rear seat out for the cowl. Super easy install. If you guys want me to make a video on it, I can. Please just go ahead and comment it in the comment section below. It took us 2 minutes. Again, you don't have to remove all this stuff right here. Super easy. But here is the tail tidy itself. It just looks absolutely fantastic. Better than that big old plastic piece. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and have a great and blessed day.